Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA, but I've been going through some life crisis, and anyways, I just have a lot going on. We'll talk about that, but today I came to tell you that I got something in the mail. I'm super excited about it, and don't mind my hair. Today is wash day. I just had box braids in for like 2 weeks, but anyways, I received my Melanin hair care product in the mail. And if you don't know about Melanin HairCare, it's a product line by Naptural85, Whitney White, a huge YouTuber. If you don't know her, I'll leave her information down in the description box. But basically, she had a pre-order situation going on, so I pre-ordered these since, I want to say since November, end of November or December, and she wasn't shipping out the first wave of orders until February. And so I just received mine, and I'm super pumped about this. So I just wanted to show you what the package looks like and what's inside. Anyways, I don't know why I'm doing this here, but it works. But here's the box, just comes like so. And first thing first, Melanin Lollipop, and this one is strawberry. I don't know if you can see that, but it's super cute. I love that. Forgive my voice, I've been sick for like ages. Anyways, and there is this little thing right here, and it has basically like a thank you card. In the back it says, "What's up guys, thank you so much for your support," blah blah blah. It's basically a thank you note from her, and there is a hashtag here that people have been using. Once you get your product, you can go on Instagram and hashtag Melanin Faye, and basically all her social media. So Instagram, I guess it's just Instagram. I don't think she has a Twitter for this. And then the website and some pictures of the products. And this one here says, this is so cute, it says, "We're suckers for you." And that's the same sucker that I just showed you guys. And again, this one has also the social for the Melanin hair care line. This is super cute. I love this. And finally, the products. So I got this multi-use pure blend oil. So it's supposed to be like a super lightweight oil, and I think it spilled a little, honestly. So it has, I don't know how to say this, I'll put it up on the screen: boba oil, argan oil, and vitamin E oil. So it's supposed to detangle, soften, and seals. So you can use it basically after using any cream if you do the lock method. So it's basically a sealant. Yeah, you can use it on wet or damp hair. And it doesn't have a whole lot of ingredients, honestly. This is perfect. Anyways, and last thing is the elongating, long-lasting defining cream. So it's really huge. So it's basically 16 ounces. I mean, these days when you get a 16-ounce product from like this huge hair care line, how much do you actually get? Like, you get the whole thing. This is huge. It will last you like, I don't know, forever. I don't know, but I just know that it would last you longer than any other hair product. But anyways, I'm gonna try these out today. I'm super excited, and let me know if you want to see how I apply this, or if you don't, I'll just make a video anyways. But yeah, anyways, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys what these look like, and I'll see you next time. So look out on the next video. It'll probably be how to apply these two products, and I just have to update you guys on where I've been and life changes and all that. So we'll talk until next time.